Is your Rogers Xfinity app frozen on the sign-in screen? You're not alone. Many users, especially on Android and iOS, experience this issue. The problem often stems from corrupted temporary files and login data stored locally by the app. These files can become misaligned, especially after app updates or OS changes, preventing successful authentication with Rogers servers. The solution? A cache data reset. This clears out those problematic temporary files and user-specific data, forcing the app to refresh its connection and reestablish a clean login session. It's the most effective first step, recommended by Rogers support, to bypass glitches in stored session tokens or corrupted preferences. Clearing this data is like giving the app a fresh start, allowing it to properly authenticate your account and get you back to streaming. Here's how to perform a cache/data reset on your device. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Xfinity Stream, Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. For iOS, since iOS doesn't allow clearing cache directly, you'll need to offload or uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Xfinity Stream, Offload App, or Delete App. After clearing the cache data or reinstalling on iOS, restart the app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and re-enter your Rogers account credentials. If the issue persists after the reset, try restarting your device or reinstalling the Xfinity Stream app. While a cache data reset is a common fix, remember to keep your app updated to the latest version, as updates often include authentication bug fixes and improvements. If problems continue, contacting Rogers support may be necessary.